Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the much-awaited Samsung S23 Ultra Mobile. Samsung's live launch event is going to be held in February. In this, Samsung company will introduce Samsung S23 series and many more. Ultra Mobile is considered as Samsung's powerful mobile. Samsung has brought many changes to the Ultra this year. In this video we will talk about the specifications that have been leaked from this mobile. Come on, let's go to the video. First, let's talk about the design of the Samsung S23 Ultra Mobile. This mobile has a thickness of 8.9 mm and weight 233 grams. The body of the mobile is made up of front glass, back glass, and frame aluminum. The display on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED to X panel with a resolution of 3080 x 1440 pixels. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming performance. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, making it one of the most durable displays on. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra runs on the Android 13 operating system with Samsung's One UI 5 on top. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is one of the most powerful chipsets in the market. The device also comes with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage. The S23 Ultra features a quad-lens rear camera system, including a 200-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens. The device also has a 40-megapixel front-facing camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. The camera system offers excellent image quality and a wide range of features and modes, including 8K video recording. Battery: the S23 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. It also has 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other devices wirelessly using the S23 Ultra. Other details: the S23 Ultra supports 5 grams connectivity. The device has an in-display fingerprint scanner and face recognition for secure unlocking. It also has a stereo speaker system and Dolby Atmos technology for immersive audio experience. The Ultra will come in Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Botanic Green, and Misty Lilac color variant. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a starting price of $1,299 for the 256GB model and $1,399 for the 512GB model. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is an upcoming high-end device that offers a premium design, a stunning display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. With its high price tag, the device is designed for users who want the best of the best and are willing to pay for it. So, it is a perfect choice for those who want the latest features and performance in a smartphone.